What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Today I want to do a product review of this Shoei helmet. I don't know what the model is, couldn't tell you. I'll put that in the information below, but it is a modular helmet. You can see I got a little button here. I would press it and lift it up, but you know what? I'm doing 80 miles an hour down the highway. Don't think that's a good idea. But I wanted to do a quick review on the Shoei helmet. So let's roll the introduction quick and then we'll get into it. Welcome to Yogi Cycle Service. I am your host, Yogi, and here at Yogi Cycle Service we do pretty much everything motorcycle related, whether it's service, maintenance, product reviews, MC Mondays, whatever it is. If it deals with motorcycles, we talk about it here. Or maybe it's a video that's, hey, about me, Yogi related, or about my family, or anything like that. So if you like what you see here and you enjoy this content, mash that thumbs up. Surf around my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see there, man, give a brother some love. Hit that subscribe button, because those subscribes, those comments, those likes, they help the channel grow. I appreciate them very much. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this channel. So, if you are a returning subscriber, you know that come tax return time last year, I bought a HJC helmet. I don't remember the model of that one. I'll put that model up. But I also did a review on that helmet, and you know what? I really enjoy the helmet. I really dig the helmet. It's pretty much just like this one. It has the shade that'll drop down, like the built-in shade feature. It has the pin lock like this one has. It's modular like this one is. It's pretty much I don't want to call it a copy of this one, but it's got pretty much the same bells and whistles and features. And this is a Shoei helmet. So about a month ago, the motorcycle club decided to bless me with this helmet and this camera here. Because I make YouTube content, and they said, hey, we want to give you some gear to keep producing content for Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. So they hooked me up with this helmet. They hooked me up with a GoPro and a new recording device, Tascam recording device. So thank you, Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. But that's not the point of the video. The point is about this helmet. And I will say, I really dig this helmet. Number one, it's got that new helmet smell. Ah, it smells so good. I love that smell. But it's got this really cool chin thing right here. I don't know what you call it, but it helps keep the wind out from under my chin. I have to imagine it's pretty good for this audio because it's keeping all the wind noise coming out. Now, the only thing I don't like about it is it kind of interferes with my goatee. The other thing is I have a built-in Sena right here. I think it's the equivalent of a Sena 20. Really like that. The audio on it is awesome. The only problem is I wear gloves all the time, and trying to feel where the buttons are on this Sena here is really rather difficult. It's really hard to find the buttons. And I wound up, you know, yesterday I was riding and I went to like fast forward the song to get to the next song, and I accidentally turned the Sena off. And I couldn't, you know, I had my thicker winter gloves. Now I just have my summer gloves on, but even still, the summer gloves, it's kind of hard to feel for where the button is. Maybe after I get used to it for a while, I can figure it out better. But that was kind of difficult. That I don't really like. I mean, it's just so slim and so low profile. I love that, but it's hard to feel the buttons. Now, as far as the modular piece, you know, pushing this down, lifting it up, that works great. But this little chin thing, you know, the Sena has a microphone that comes out. And when I put this down, that microphone often gets trapped in this little chin strap thing. And it gets stuck. So it's really kind of hard to use the module unless you have the microphone all the way back against your mouth. So that way it doesn't interfere with the opening and closing of the helmet. But the helmet itself, it's quiet, it's comfortable. The cheek pads, you can take them out and wash them. So my microphone now for the Tascam is integrated into the cheek pad. So I'm not using it, I just unsnap in the back of the helmet the padding, and I can just tuck the wire for this microphone up in the padding of the helmet and then snap it back closed again, and it's so much better than the way I used to have it, because I used to take my lavalier mic and wrap it around the boom mic of my Sena, clip it on, then run it down into my vest. Now it's all integrated in the helmet, so I just have to unsnap it, tuck the cord in, snap it up, and, you know, I'm ready to ride. So that is very nice. Also on this helmet, you can see here, we put this mount here. Before, it was an idea from Dirty D's. You know, I took a wrist strap and wrapped it around this chin right here, and then mounted my camera with the wrist strap. Now I got this mount right here, like I used to have on my old HJC helmet. But the new HJC helmet that I had, this mount there wasn't a place to put it on there, so I didn't have it. But I now have it on this one, and my GoPro mounts right into it. I don't have to use all these arms and pull it out and up. It just works better with the GoPro without all those extra pieces. So I dig that. Dig how the GoPro works with this. I dig how the microphone is. I enjoy it. It's a much quieter helmet. You know, I just got it a month ago, so I've only been, you know, ridden in it a half a dozen times or so. I haven't gone through summer yet, so I don't know how hot it's going to get in the summer. But I have to imagine that the airflow on this, I mean, it's got this really nice scoop vent right here. I have to imagine that the airflow on this, I don't even know how you open this vent. Oh, just like that, okay. Apparently that this whole big thing up here moves. So I have to imagine the airflow on it's fairly decent. You know, the padding on the inside doesn't look quite, it's more of a webbed padding with pads, where the HJC seemed like it was more the whole thing. So I think this potentially could be better for circulation in the summer. Who knows? We'll find out. But I'm really enjoying this helmet. It is an expensive helmet. You know, without the club blessing me, there is no way I'd be able to swing this one. I think it's close to a $600 helmet. And you know, if you've been around Yogi Cycle Service for a minute, you'll know that's not my cup of tea. I can't afford that. You know, I'm more $150, maybe $200 max. That's why I had the HJC, because I figured it was the next closest thing to this helmet that I could afford. But it is an awesome helmet. But you know, with all this gear on it, you know, my HJC, I don't mind leaving it on the seat going into a restaurant. But this Joker, a little bit more expensive. I'm probably going to have to take it into the restaurant with me, or see if maybe I can fit it and lock it in my tour pack. Because I don't want to leave this helmet sitting around, because it may grow legs and walk away. But I must say, I really have enjoyed this helmet. It is definitely very comfortable, easy to operate, easy to get the windshield up, windshield down, easy to get the sun visor up, sun visor down. Here we go, we're coming to a stop. Modular up. You can see the boom mic here that I was talking about. And you can see it just got stuck. So yeah, in just doing that, you can see the boom mic got stuck. I'm gonna push it up, get it out of the way. Tuck my goatee back in. So the modular doesn't work. I mean, I do like this chin piece here, especially for making vlogs, because I think it'll do really well at keeping the wind out. I have to imagine it's probably removable. I probably can remove it, and with the microphone I may have to do that. But you know what, I don't know if I'm going to do that, because I would much rather have it there to get better audio, because really my goatee then fills the gap and plugs up all the holes. So hopefully it's getting a little bit better audio with this helmet than I did with my HJC, mainly because of that. So yeah, I would give this 5 out of 5. This is a pretty sweet helmet. I feel like, you know, first class now. Although the HJC is a great helmet too for a budget. Great budget helmet. You know, the other helmet I really would like to get someday is a Simpson. Someday I'd like to try one of them, but you know what? I feel blessed with this helmet here. So I'm probably going to rock it until the pads fall out. So there you go, Yogi Clan. There is my review of this helmet. If you can afford it, it is the bomb. If this isn't your cup of tea for the price tag, then I would say that HJC is a good second, but this is definitely a quieter helmet, and the Sena experience in this helmet is pretty epic also. But you know, you're gonna add an extra $200, now you're up to $800 probably for this helmet with the Sena in it. But the Sena is the bomb in this helmet. I wonder if you can hear the music. So that makes me let's see if I can figure out how to turn this on. If I can figure out how to turn the darn thing on. It's just hard because the buttons are so close together with gloves. What I'm thinking is, if you can hear the music on this, then maybe I can do like talking to other people during a moto vlog. You know, a way to do a joint moto vlog is, I guess, what I'm getting after. Let's see if this works. This will be a test. Better not play too much. I don't want to get a copyright strike if you can hear that. So there we go. There was a test to see if you could hear it. You know, maybe something for you moto vloggers. If you're wanting something where you can record your conversations, maybe this helmet, if that works, is one of the ways that you can go to do a joint moto vlog. Food for thought, y'all. All right, guys. That's all I had. I thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments below on what you think. Do you have this helmet? What are your thoughts on it? And I'll catch you on the next one. Hi, Yogi Clan. Love you guys. Appreciate the views. Appreciate the comments. Peace. Hey Siri. Play Spotify. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Siri? Siri. Play Spotify, darn you.